Being the source of all life, the sea must be protected. This is why STX Europe creates more environmentally friendly ships. Following a new architectural design, featuring the latest eco-positive technologies and exploiting renewable energy, this revolutionary ship will soon be sailing the oceans of the world. The multi-hull design offers added stability at sea, as well as fresh opportunities for creating new passenger leisure areas and amenities. Wind energy, harnessed by her voluminous sails, makes a significant contribution to the vessel's propulsion power. The ship's double skin, extending along her entire length, has been imaginatively used to save energy and to create extensive promenade decks, giving direct access to the passenger cabins. Deep within the ship, a groundbreaking generator running on natural gas supplies the vessel's electricity, heating, and cooling needs. Waste is turned into energy, and water is recycled. Hydrodynamic efficiency is enhanced by injecting air beneath the hull and using an innovative propulsion system. EOCs significantly limits greenhouse gas emissions, reducing her impact on the environment by an impressive margin. The vessel's new concept architecture gives passengers the opportunity of enjoying a unique relationship with the sea. Wherever they are on board, in their cabins, on the promenade decks, in the lounges or the swimming pools, the ocean is ever present and tangibly close at hand. Innovative, intelligent, energy efficient and environmentally friendly, EOCs brings passengers a whole new approach to cruising, making ocean-going the core experience. This is where emotions are intensified and time can be taken to rebond with the vastnesses of the ocean, where it all begins.